Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get projects on Outlier AI and what you need to do to increase your chances of getting selected. So make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. First, you need to sign up and complete your onboarding. Create your account on Outlier AI, but keep in mind that availability depends on your region. So in some countries, it may be limited. After creating your account, the next step is to choose your skills carefully. You'll be asked to select domains like math, language, logic, or general reasoning. Pick the ones you're confident in because you'll need to pass assessments or screening tests. Passing these tests is very important as it makes you eligible for projects. Once you're onboarded, go to your dashboard or marketplace and check for available projects regularly. New tasks can appear at any time, so it's a good idea to check multiple times a day. Also, be patient. Sometimes projects are limited, especially for users outside certain regions. It may take days or even weeks to receive your first task, so don't worry if you don't see anything immediately. Another tip is to build more skills. The more assessments you pass, the higher your chances of getting matched with projects. Try to qualify in multiple areas to increase opportunities. Finally, stay active and responsive. Some projects get filled quickly, so being online and ready can help you grab them faster. And that's it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.